Hi, good afternoon. My name is Dr. Sonia Malik, and I am presently the director of Nova Southend Fertility and IVF at Vasantviar. I'm the chief clinical mentor of Nova clinics all across the country. I bring you greetings from our organization, and here I am today to talk to you about my very own Indian Fertility Society, a society that has been actually brought about by us because I'm one of the founder members of the society, which was started way back now, and it is such a pleasure to see the way it has grown. IFS today actually has created a place for itself in the country and amongst the field of gynecologists and obstetricians, especially those who want to pursue their careers as fertility specialists. So I took over the society as the president of the society in 2014, and I remained the president from 2014 to 2016. My vision of that year, or my vision during that time, was to try and reach places where we had not been able to reach. So we decided to enroll more members, to make more chapters, and also to try and reach people where we could not reach even despite making members. So during my tenure, we probably had the biggest number of webinars. That was a time when webinars were not heard of. Nobody knew what webinars were, and we instituted those across the country. And at the same time, I also was the chair for the infertility committee of FOXI. So therefore, the combined effort of IFS and my infertility committee, we were able to get 20,000 viewers during that 1 year and 1.5 year tenure that we did the webinars. So it was a great achievement, and all the webinars consisted of just very, very famous and popular infertility specialists like Dr. B.N. Chakravarti and many more. So that was one thing that we did during my tenure, and the other thing was that I was very, very passionate about getting data from India and telling the West that we are also, we have been doing a lot of work, not only in infertility, but generally in gynae and obstetrics also, and hence we needed to have our own guidelines rather than quoting the guidelines from the West. So during my tenure as the president, the other important thing that I did was to bring out the first guidelines for the Indian Fertility Society on the subject of PCOS. So that came in 2 volumes. One was for general PCOS, and the other one was a specific guideline only for infertility. So that, and then my passion for tuberculosis is known to everyone, and I have been a part of I have been a member of the task force for tuberculosis at ICMR. Have been institutional in also helping in conducting the research for TB, which was headed by the AIMS over there, and have also been a part of the team that formed the ETP, the extrapulmonary tuberculosis guidelines, in 2016. So that has been my journey when I was a president. And what do I say to our young girls who are, or our youngsters now who are very passionate and want to become infertility specialists? What should be our vision as seniors? I'm always reminded of a song which says, "हम लाए हैं तूफान से किश्ती निकाल के, इस देश को रखना मेरे बच्चों संभाल के." So my message to all of you is, be ethical, be honest, not only to the patient but to yourself. Always do what you think you would be doing to either your sister or your sister-in-law, your mother, or anyone who needs your help. So thank you very much. I shall get in touch with you again very soon. God bless and long live IFS.